So hello everyone, PwC is hiring for few of the internships roles like full stack engineer, DevOps engineer, Java AWS full stack developer, and then cybersecurity and DevOps engineer, and then backend developer. So all these roles have different locations, like this is for Bangalore, this is for Hyderabad, this is for Bangalore, this is for Hyderabad, and this is for Hyderabad. So as you can see, these roles are for specialist. So you can see everything here, right? It is for specialist. So we will see the important things for you to apply for this role. So don't skip the video till the end. So let's look into this video. So the first one is full stack engineer intern specialist. Okay. And then the job location is Bangalore. So let's scroll down. Okay. So let's look into the key skills that is required. We will look into it quickly. So you will be developing and maintaining the software application using the programming languages such like Java, Python, and JavaScript. Okay, these are the main things that you need to know. And then you should be implementing the application lifecycle management and continuous integration, continuous delivery, and CA or CD practices. Okay, so CA or CD practices. Also, you should be utilizing the microservices architecture and API management for efficient software integration. So, also, you should be applying your object oriented design principles to create a robust and maintainable software systems and supporting the client project by providing some technical knowledge in software engineering and all those things. So, let's scroll and see what is the must have skills here. So, here you can see you should have at least a bachelor's degree. You should have at least a bachelor's degree and at least 1 year of experience. So this is not for for freshers. Okay, this is not for fresher. And then you should have some good oral and written proficiency in English. So this is going to be for all the jobs. So let's look into the second one, that is DevOps engineer. So in this DevOps engineer internship specialist, it is for Hyderabad location. And if you scroll down here, you will be able to see the key skills. So the key skills like Java, Python, and C++. Then you should be implementing continuous integration and continuous delivery, that is CI or CD. And then also you will need to do this application lifecycle. So you have to do this application lifecycle tools to manage the software development and deployment. And also you need to know like acceptance test driven development methodologies and supporting the client management and other things that is not required mostly. So that's not the important part. But as we seen like the last job, you can see it is at least a bachelor's degree, at least 1 year of experience, and oral and written proficiency is required. This is also not for fresher. Not for fresher. Okay. So the next one is Java AWS full stack developer. You can see this, and this is for Bangalore location. Let's scroll down. We will be able to see things that is required for you. So this is like you will be developing and maintaining the full stack applications using Java and AWS technologies and implementing the software development methodologies and enhance application lifecycle management. Then also you should be utilize the programming languages such like JavaScript, Python, C++ to build a scalable solutions, and also managing API integration, microservices, and also create some robust software architecture. And as same as the last two jobs, you can see it is the same here out again. This is the same again and again. So let's proceed to the fourth role. This is cybersecurity specialist, DevOps engineer internship. Job location is Hyderabad. So let's scroll down. So you can see here is the responsibilities like maintaining software application using Java, Python, and C++, Continuous integration like say or cd, those things, that is the same like the second one, that is for DevOps. Okay, so it is going to be the same here too, must have skills. So let's proceed into the last one without any delay. So here it is, backend developer intern specialist, job location is Hyderabad. And let's scroll down here. Here you can see the main important skills. Main important skills like Java, Python, and C++. So you should be implementing your acceptance trust driven development and continuous integration and continuous delivery. And also you should be utilizing your API management and microservices architecture to design a scalable and efficient application. So the must-have skills is as same as all the job updates. This is only for at least a bachelor's degree, 1 year of experience, and oral and written proficiency in English. So you'll be thinking why these internships are asking for 1 year of experience. Internships are for freshers. But if you are someone who is working in a non-technical role, trying to switch into a technical role, but you have 1 year of experience somewhere, so if you want to switch, you can use this opportunity to switch into a technical role. This internship will give you a overview of how these roles work, right? So that's why they are giving you internships with someone who has experience. So you can apply if you have experience and looking to switch for again another domain. So I have shown you like 5 ones. This is not a fake opportunities. This is directly from PwC. I will provide all the links in the description. I will provide it in the first comment as well. So you just don't need to get angry by saying like this is not for freshers. Why are you even posting? But people are there who is trying to switch for other domains, right? So we will go with this job update today, but tomorrow I will give you lot of fresher job update as well. So don't lose your hopes. I will make a video again. So I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.